Filipino soldiers fighting ISIL-aligned militants here in Marawi City in the southern Philippines were given a bit of a morale booster on Tuesday when the country's highest court upheld the declaration of martial law covering the entire southern Philippines. President Rodrigo Duterte had threatened to disregard the ruling of the Supreme Court if it went the other way. So just imagine the constitutional crisis the Philippines would be experiencing now if that's what happened. Now, martial law is an extremely sensitive issue in this country given the history of alleged torture and abuse during the Marcos-era martial law in the 70s and 80s. But in ruling in favor of martial law, the Supreme Court has basically affirmed the need for martial rule in a region that is being threatened by terrorism. Now, before the ruling was issued on Monday, President Duterte came out with the message of support for soldiers.
I am commending our troops of the Republic of the Philippines on the ground for your relentless effort and determination in our goal to retake the city of Marawi from the Maoti group and the other local terrorist groups. I urge you to remain steadfast and alert as martial law in Mindanao will remain in effect to counter the persistent threat of terrorism and insurgency.
Now, the battle for Marawi has been going on for more than 6 weeks now. It's already entered a 7th week. Last weekend, Duterte said he predicts it would end in just a matter of days. But as you can see behind me, as you can hear, fighting is still raging, mostly in the downtown area, which is what you see right there behind me. Now, Defense Secretary Delphine Lorenzana says some 1,500 structures have yet to be cleared. So, assuming 70 to 100 houses are cleared each day, that's still about 2 weeks away. I'd say that's already a very generous estimate. Barnaby, CGTN, Marawi City in the southern Philippines.